Hi, and welcome to the ACS Access Partview demo. This is going to be session 1 where we're going to cover the basics on the screen. Let's start with a couple things. We're just going to enter a part number 25010792, and it's going to bring over information. Now this screen can be used to be able to do a part lookup, to be able to put a part on a repair order, an invoice, or to be able to prepare a quote. If I wanted to see more information about the part, this information is readily available in using these buttons over here. Now I could have added this part a couple different ways. I could have just typed it in as you just saw. I could bring it in from a parts catalog, and I could bring it in from Mitchell 1. I can also do a copy paste from a web-based or PC-based parts catalog as well. If I want to see more information about this part, say I wanted to see the Parts Master, I just click this button right here and see the Parts Master. If I wanted to see any special order information about this part, I can see that very easily right here. If I wanted to see a lot more detail, I could just click this button right here, and it's going to open up our detail screen, which we try to be able to set up as a part inquiry as being very simple and straightforward. So here it is, going down your part, your superseded, alternate, etc., on hand and on order quantities. There's an area right here for manufacturer specific information, and your bin 1 and bin 2 order, source, date in, and activity. This is going to pull over from your Parts Master. This is going to be user defined as far as frequently used prices, and we're going to see a 12-month sales history or a lost sales history as it be appropriate. One of the things we paid particular attention to when we created this screen was our users' desire to eliminate screen flipping. As you saw before, when I was in this screen, I could see my Parts Master and special orders, etc. I can see that same information right here. So I don't have to leave this screen to go back to look at the Part Master. The information's right there. I don't have to leave the information to be able to see our Parts Master. I can see it right here. Record lost sale the same way. I do have a few other tools I can do on this screen, like see sales history and order information and special order quantities on hand, but your common duties I can do without ever having to go to this screen or to leave this screen. Now, let's set up information on a customer. We'll put in Van here. We use Van in several other areas. We're going to pull up our information on Van. It's going to show his price code is 40, automatically reprice this part, and show his available credit is $27.69. If I wanted to see more information on Van, I could push this button. If I wanted to see special orders that Van has, I can click this button. As you can see, we've got several parts that have been received. If I wanted to see that, I could just go in and drill down and see the information on Van's special order part. You'll notice that we do have a field for email. When this part came in, Van could have been automatically notified that the special order was in. I also can do an on-the-fly email notification by clicking this button. This button that says list is what I can use to be able to print the information for a counter person to put on their desk to notify a customer. Now I'm going to do one last thing. I'm going to drop in notes, and we're going to save this quote, and we're going to assume that Van has to get authorization from his customer to buy the part, and he's going to be getting back to us. The other thing that I can do out of this screen, because Van does have an email address, is I can push this button right here, and I can email him a copy of this quote. Hope you'll stay tuned and watch our part 2 of the Partview screen, and that'll be coming up right after this one. Thank you.